Hi there, Paul Dombowski from Liberty Street Software. StampManage lets you look at the predefined database in many different ways. If you look here, we're in the StampManage catalog section of the program, and you can see all the different ways you can group the database. So you can group it by year of issue, which would be the year regardless of country, by printer, color, etc. We have probably one of the more useful ones is country/year, so you can subdivide the database by country and then by year. So let's say we need to look at United States 1923 stamps. What we can do is open that up, click on 1923, and you'll just see USA stamps from that particular year listed. Now, we can run a report just on that year and country as well. So to do that, you just right mouse click, select database report using, and let's say we want to look at an album page report. There. So you got a 3-page report that just shows the stamps from USA 1923. You could do the same for a checklist, which is a very useful report. Stamp checklist by year, preview, start, and you're just going to see the 1923 USA stamps. And if you want to collect all the stamps from that year, you can print out the checklist and take it to a show or dealer or whatever. So now that's all well and good, but let's say you need to look at a range of stamps. For example, let's say you only collect United States 1900 to 1940 stamps, and you want to produce a report that shows all of those years and nothing but those years. What we can do, and this is a pretty advanced topic, is we can edit an existing report. So we'll select Reports, Edit Report, and we can modify the database stamp checklist by year report. Click on Open, and this is going to bring up the report designer. Now what we have to do is apply a filter to the report. And the way to do that is you click on Project and the filter button here. And the report already has a filter, and basically what it's saying here is only show stamps where there is a non-empty date of issue. So obviously if you're going to group a report by year of issue, you need a valid date of issue. So what we can do is add on to this. We're going to add on so that only stamps from issued between 1900 and 1940 are shown. And we start that off by typing dot, and then we're going to type in year. Year is a function in the report designer. It's basically saying take a date and just extract the year from it. So take the year from the date issued of this variety. Make sure it is greater or equal to 1900, and year, database.date issued, and make sure it is less than or equal to 1940. So basically what we're saying is all three of these conditions have to be true. There has to be a valid date of issue, the year has to be greater than 1900 or less than 1940. Hit OK. Now let's save this under a different name. Just add 1900 to 1940 at the end here. Dismiss the report designer. Now what we can do is go to any country, or type within a country for that matter, and right mouse click, and we're going to select database report using, output report using. We're going to click select the one we just created. So hit open, preview. Now this is going to take quite a while, as it's basically going through many thousands of United States stamps and filtering them out. You can see up here the progress is going to show you. We're at 25%, so it'll take a couple minutes additional. Okay, so already it's showing results. It's still processing, but it's going to show you. And as you can see here, it starts in 1900, and when this is eventually done, it's going to end at 1940. report's going to be 117 pages in length. The best idea in most cases is just to print it out as a PDF file or perhaps an Excel spreadsheet if that's what you want to do. And notice also we have a table of contents. Note that this video is being made on August 6, 2015, and if you have a previous version of the 2015 Stamp Manager, you may not be seeing this as it's been just added today actually. So anyways, the table of contents is, as the name implies, just lets you click on a particular year and you are immediately taken to the stamps of that year. So that's advanced overview of some of the reporting features available in Stamp Manager. We have a Report Designer manual, and it's quite intimidating. But if you're an advanced user, you may want to take a look at it. And to access it, you click on Help, Report Designer Manual, and that's going to show you all the functions available in the Report Designer. I showed you a simple year function. There's many more available as well. So thank you for listening. Take care.